Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. By the team of King Classes, I wish all Ramadan Mubarak. And the topic of economics which we are going to discuss today is consumer equilibrium. What is consumer equilibrium? Consumer equilibrium refers to the situation of maximum satisfaction while he is spending his given income across different goods. From this definition, what we have got, this definition says us that जब एक कंज्यूमर अपनी इनकम को स्पेंड करता है कोई चीज कंज्यूम करने के लिए और when he is going to consume some goods, in responding to that he get some satisfaction from that. तो कंज्यूमर तब इक्विलिब्रियम में होगा जब वो बहुत ज्यादा सेटिस्फेक्शन हासिल करेगा, जब वो अपनी इनकम को एक्सपेंडिचर करता है और इन रिटर्न उसको मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलनी चाहिए, तब जाके एक कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम में होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल बात करेंगे इस कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम के बारे में. अगर हमारे पास में, मैंने इससे पहले भी आपको इस चीज की मिसाल दी हुई है, अगर हमारे पास में 10 रुपये का एक नोट है, हमें कोई चीज खानी है एंड वी आर हंग्री, और हम 10 रुपये के नोट से बहुत सारी चीजें खरीद सकते हैं. वी कैन buy 2 bananas, 2 apples, 1 packet of juice, and we can buy also 1 kg of carrot, 1 kg of any other thing. So we have to choose that product which will give us maximum level of satisfaction. ठीक है, कंज्यूमर तभी इक्विलिब्रियम में इधर आएगा जब उसको बहुत ज्यादा सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगी, and the consumer is going to spend his sole income on that good which will give him the maximum level of satisfaction. ठीक है, ये था कंसेप्ट कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम के बारे में. इसके बाद में बात करेंगे कि कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम इन वन कमोडिटी एंड कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम इन टू कमोडिटी. While discussing the topic consumer equilibrium in one commodity, we have to take into the consideration 3 factors. While we are purchasing or consuming any commodity, 3 factors are there. वो 3 चीजों पर डिपेंडेंट होता है. कौन सा? फर्स्ट वन इज प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. वो हमको मालूम ही है दैट द कमोडिटी व्हिच यू आर गोइंग टू कंज्यूम हैज सम प्राइस. अनदर थिंग, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ कमोडिटी. जो कमोडिटी हम खाते हैं उसकी मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी आती है. जैसे मैं भी एग्जांपल दे रहा था, अगर हम बनाना खाते हैं उसकी मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी, फॉर एग्जांपल हमने कहा था कि वी कैन calculate the utility in cardinal numbers. For example, हमने जब केला खाया, we have got 10 utils, and after eating 1 kg of carrots, we have got 20 utils. That means the consumer will here choose that commodity which will give him the maximum level of satisfaction. This was the second point. Another one is that's marginal utility of money. Here also, what is marginal utility of money? Marginal मैंने पहले ही आपको अंडरस्टैंड कराया है. marginal हम उसको कहते हैं जो ऐड हो, the next which you are consuming, utility, the satisfaction which you are getting of money by spending the money. यानी marginal utility of money का मतलब है हम जो मनी खर्च कर रहे हैं and how much satisfaction we are getting in return. That's known as marginal utility of money. Now, when will be a consumer in equilibrium with one case commodity? So हम बात कर रहे थे consumer equilibrium in one commodity. Consumer will be in equilibrium. Consumer कब equilibrium में होगा? When we have to consume one commodity. When marginal utility of money will be equivalent to marginal utility of x divided by price of x, or price of x is equivalent to marginal utility of x divided by marginal utility of money. Now here we are going to discuss the table. Unit of commodity x, marginal utility of x, marginal utility of x divided by marginal utility of money. Unit of commodity x, हम कितने units of commodity consume कर रहे हैं? That's from this column, marginal utility of x. हम consume कर रहे हैं 1 unit of commodity, we get marginal utility of this commodity x 20. एक कंज्यूम किया 20, हमको यूटिलिटी वहां से हासिल हुई, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी एंड आफ्टर दैट सेकंड 18, थर्ड 16, इसी तरह आगे जाके हमारा जो यूटिलिटी है मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी दैट गोज टू -5. Why it goes -5? We have discussed this topic in the earlier lecture. Now, marginal utility of x divided by marginal utility of money. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. हम क्या निकाल रहे हैं? While giving our money or the consumption of commodity x, how much satisfaction we are getting in return? That's denoted by 5. Here 4.5, here 4. And here the consumer will be in equilibrium when price of x will be equivalent to marginal utility of x divided by marginal utility of money. Here is the point when a consumer will be in equilibrium. We have बताया that price of x or good is 4. So here we can say that this is the point where the consumer is in equilibrium, because here when we obtain marginal utility of x divided by marginal utility of money, we get 4. That means our price is 4. The marginal utility of x divided by marginal utility of money is also 4. So it is the point where the consumer is in equilibrium, and we are showing we are going to show it by graphically. The figure of consumer equilibrium in one commodity case. From the x-axis there is the consumption of commodity x, and from y-axis this is the marginal utility of money. And from the figure it's clear to us that this is fixed price, that's p of x is equal to 4. ठीक है, तो अगर आप देखेंगे फिगर की ओर, this is fixed line of price of x, the price is fixed here, and here also marginal utility of x, the commodity which you are consuming, his marginal utility is also shown by a curve sloping downwards. ठीक है, when the curve of marginal utility of x intersects with the price line x, and there is the point where a consumer is in equilibrium, and he has to consume that units of commodity so that he will be in equilibrium. He has to consume the 3 units of a commodity so that he will be in equilibrium given price layer. This was the topic of one case commodity, and here now this is two commodity case. In one commodity case we have learned that marginal utility of x divided by price of x should be equivalent to marginal utility of money. It's first. For the second commodity, marginal utility of y divided by price of y is equal to marginal utility of money. अगर हम एक commodity को consume कर रहे हैं, for example that commodity is x, and we have discussed in one case commodity that marginal utility of x divided by price of x should be equivalent to marginal utility of money, so that the consumer will be in equilibrium. Same will be for the consumption of another commodity, that's commodity y. That means marginal utility of y divided by price of y should be equivalent to marginal utility of money, so that the consumer will be equilibrium in the second commodity also. ठीक है, now from these 2 points what we have got? We have got that the marginal utility of x divided by price of x is equivalent to marginal utility of y divided by price of y is equivalent to marginal utility of money. This will be followed for more than 2 commodities also. That means the commodities which we are going to consume should maintain this equation. They will follow this criteria that always marginal utility of x divided by price of x वो बराबर होना चाहिए marginal utility of money के. अगर हम दूसरी commodity लेते हैं marginal utility of y divided by price of y, that should also be equivalent to marginal utility of money, so that the consumer equilibrium is maintained at that point. ठीक है, graph of two case commodity in which we are consuming a commodity x from this side, commodity y from this side, and their units are mentioned from this side. ठीक है, तो अगर आप देखेंगे the graph of one commodity and the graph of other commodity, and in two case commodity we will be always in equilibrium when the two curves will intersect each other. जब ये दोनों कर्व आपस में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं तब जाके हम कहीं ना कहीं पे इक्विलिब्रियम में होते हैं। देखिए अगर आप देखेंगे फिगर की ओर, the curves are intersecting each other at the units 5. So while consuming the units of x as well as units of y, their number should be 5. We will be in equilibrium in two case commodities. So this was our today's topic, consumer equilibrium and consumer equilibrium in one commodity and the consumer equilibrium in two commodity. Thanks and have a nice day.